Hey everyone, today I learned a bit more about protocols and extensions in Swift, and I wanted to share it with you. So I started by learning how protocols work. A protocol basically acts like a blueprint or a recipe for structuring my code. In my example, I created a protocol called vehicle. This protocol defines two things: a property speed, which every vehicle must have, and a function start, which every vehicle must implement. What's cool is that this allows me to enforce certain behaviors across different types of vehicles while still letting each vehicle have its own unique characteristics. For instance, I made two different vehicles, a car and a Lambo. Both of them conform to the vehicle protocol. Each vehicle implements its own start method that prints out its speed, but by following the protocol, they share a common structure. This ensures that I can interact with both types of vehicles in the same way. After that, I wrote a function called begin_journey that accepts any type of vehicle conforming to the vehicle protocol. This function makes the vehicle start and prints its speed, no matter if it's a car or a Lambo. It's such a powerful tool for code reuse and consistency. Then I explored protocol inheritance. Similar to how classes can inherit from other classes, protocols can also inherit from other protocols. I made some protocols like payable, needs training, and has vacation. I then created a new protocol called employee that inherits from all three. This means any employee must implement methods from all these inherited protocols, ensuring consistency across employee types. It's pretty neat for organizing and structuring my code. Next up, I learned about extensions. Extensions let me add new functionality to an existing type without modifying the original type itself. For example, I extended the int type by adding a function squared that returns the square of the number and a computed property isEven that returns whether the number is even. Now I can just call .squared or .isEven on any integer. It's like giving extra powers to my data types without changing them. Finally, I dove into protocol extensions. They're like regular extensions, but applied to an entire protocol, so all types conforming to the protocol can share the new functionality. For example, I extended the collection protocol with a summarize method that prints the number of items in the collection and their names. This works for arrays, sets, and any other type that conforms to collection. It's a great way to make sure multiple types behave similarly without duplicating code. So, in a nutshell, today I learned how protocols help define structure and behavior, and how extensions allow me to add cool new features to existing types and protocols. Swift really makes it easier to keep my code clean, consistent, and reusable. It's been a pretty fun day learning all of this.